Hello guys, it's time to go to basa.
Basahin mo. Hawakan mo
Kuya is a vet and opens very good. But she opens the door and she calls next pet. He's so scared. Scared siya. Kita na yung kuko. He comes and then
Here
comes Ahmed. He walks through the door. He says my cat has a very soy paw. I have to check their cuckoo. This is scary. It's a big nail cutter. So sakit. Pauya has ayok. The paw has torn.
Hawakan mo.
She says Pauya and takes out a tool. What is that?
A torn.
I think that is mahaba kuko. That's for animals. And that's my mommy too. What is it? It's my mommy.
Yeah.
And my son. And that's me. Son. And my eyes is like that. So poggy. And I'm so silly too. So silly like poggy. And my nose are like that. And it's like that. And no that.
Ay, bilisan mo na po.
And that's my sister with a mouse and a box of delivery on it. Of my button. Because it's party time on the school, right? Yes, Pauya is a vet and a very good vet. She opens the door and she calls next pet. Bilis naman.
Bilis naman.
Here comes a boy. He walks through the door. He says, my little dog Tommy is strong.
Sore.
So big.
Now
his tummy is hurt.
Yeah.
And they're waiting for the animals to get here. They're waiting for them.
To get healed?
Oh yeah. And here's a bottle of milk. And this gonna choose okay. Right now. Oh yeah. The boy tells the boy, your dog is ill, but she soon get better if she takes the pill. This pill. It is get better. And that is my sister and a mouse. He's on one and he's so tired and powerless. And he's so sad, and my sister, because my mouse won't walk and run. So powerful and sweet.
Who next?
Yes, Pauya is a vet and a very good vet. She opens the door and she calls
Next pet. Ganon.
Na mayakas?
Opo, kasi pag doctor, ganon eh. Para marinig ng customer.
No, mahina. And that's a pure of the hospitals.
Clinic.
It's just, I want to go there to get my tutors to suck on butter to get stronger.
Next.
Here comes a girl. She walks to the door. She says my mouse won't run anymore and walk to upside down. But it's just a rabbit.
Yeah, rabbit.
I think
it's mali na. Go na.
Please. I think that is not. I think that is my turn. Put it here.
number 14 yan. Dito siya, oh.
Over there?
Mm-mm.
Not there. Over there?
Mm-mm.
Upon it?
Yeah. Go.
Now that is my sister. Can you call my sister right now?
Okay. Bilisan mo na magbasa.
Pauya has a look and she says, I think your mouse just needs more water to drink. Oi, the more Pauya, the better she pet. I think he's so tired.
You know, tired.
So tired for that. Because there's so many. Afraid pet.
After
pet.
After pet.
More dogs. More rabbits. More cats. More mouse.
Mice and
more what's mouse. There's no eyebrows.
sino?
That no eyebrows.
Ano wala eyebrow?
Now he's so sleepy. What I'm doing is I'm so good because I'm yapping.
Ito na next.
And it's patting me. Just like that. Pauya says she's agreeing. Ordinary pets or morning. Pauya feels bored. Pauya slides around it.
Yawning.
He's so sleepy.
Mm-mm.
But how about his bed?
Mamaya. Ito na. It's always
the same. Thanks, Pauya. The bet is I wish the cloud I could see and every
extra
din
ordinary
pet. It's so scary.
Mm-mm.
Because the pets will get scary.
Hindi pa.
It's like a dinosaur.
Oh, this one.
He's a dinosaur of our yard, like Minecraft. Now walking, see. But Pauya, the bet, is a very good bet. So she opens the door and she calls next bet. Here comes someone. He walks to the door and it's a very small boy. And that is me. With a dinosaur on it. Because
he was extraordinary.
He's like that.
Extraordinary pet.
And his tummy is so big because he eats so many foods. To tummy get bigger.
The end.
Where is your Goyat?
Oh.
Why his face is green?
Oh, goodbye ka na.
Goodbye, guys.
I'm done.